Yep, sanibonani guys. Ngiyazi le angeke sivumelane. Abaningi bazongiphikisa mara bazoyibona. Hugo Bruce is not the reason why Bafana Bafana iwina or idlala kahle. Everyone benithi nina Sundowns can be coached by anyone. Niyakhumbula? Fine. IBafana Bafana manje wena namhlanje mabangathi uyi-coach eBafana Bafana ungahluleka ukuselect ama-player angathatha kise ku-World Cup currently. Angeke nami angeke ngihluleke. Yes. So Hugo Bruce uthola i-credit angayideserve. Izolo against Nigeria he was exposed. INigeria ayina-star player mfethu. Ngiyaqala ukubona iNigeria engana-star player. Osimhen ube ne-injury. Imagine if uVictor Osimhen bekakhona. Just imagine. Ufaka ama-defender ayi-9. Udlala home, u-number 1 egroupini, ufaka ama-defender ayi-9. Udefenda against abobani? Ukhetha ama-fringe players, ama-favorite wakho, abo-Nico Mobi, abobani? Bathusi Obasi. Like, ufaka ama-defender wonke. Ground igcwele ngama-left footers. Guys. No, yabona noma singaya ku-World Cup lana, angiboni sizobuya ne-point. U-defensive ufana noKadoso lo muntu lo. Kadoso we-Sundowns. Ufuna ukuprove i-point. Singaya ku-World Cup sobuya singanane-point eli-1 ngiyanitshela. Ne-AFCON nje angeke siyiwine. Singayikhohlisi nje. Uyodlala i-defensive football makadlalana athi you can't udlala defensive football number 1 eligini yakho. Udlala home. Udlala i-defensive football. Suka nomadala makahambe lo.